In a small town nestled between rolling hills, there once lived a curious young girl named Lily. She had always been fascinated by the mysterious lotus pond at the edge of her village, a place untouched by time and shrouded in legends. One sunny afternoon, Lily decided to explore the pond, armed with nothing but her curiosity and a small notebook. As she approached the pond, she noticed something unusual. The lotus flowers seemed to be glowing with a soft, ethereal light. Approaching the pond, she knelt down to take a closer look. To her surprise, the lotus flowers began to sway gently, as if acknowledging her presence. Intrigued, she reached out to touch one, and to her amazement, it felt warm and soft, like velvet. Lily sat by the pond, absorbing the tranquility that permeated the air. She opened her notebook and started to write about the lotus flowers, their beauty, their mystery, and the peculiar sensation of their touch. As she wrote, she felt a strange connection with the lotus pond, a feeling she couldn't quite explain. Days turned into weeks, and Lily spent every free moment by the pond, observing, writing, and marveling at the lotus flowers. She began to notice something fascinating. The flowers seemed to grow faster when she was near, and they always glowed brighter when she wrote about them. One day, as she sat by the pond, a wise old woman approached her. "You have a special connection with these lotus flowers, my dear," she said, her eyes twinkling with wisdom. "They know you love them, and they are growing because of it." Lily was stunned. She had always thought the lotus pond was magical, but she never realized that her love for the lotus flowers was what made them grow. From that day on, Lily understood the power of love and care in nurturing growth. Years passed, and Lily grew up to become a renowned botanist, dedicating her life to studying and protecting plants. She never forgot the lessons she learned by the magical lotus pond, and she carried them with her wherever she went. In the end, Lily realized that every plant, every flower, every tree, held a piece of magic, the magic of growth, the magic of life, and the magic of love. And she spent her life sharing this magic with the world, inspiring others to care for the plants around them, just as she had cared for the lotus flowers in her small town.